Deep night. A profound silence settles around you, like a heavy blanket. You're walking along a narrow, winding path. On both sides, towering trees whisper to each other, with a gentle touch of the wind. Your only companion on this path is a small, old lantern. Its flickering light illuminates only the path directly in front of you, the rest shrouded in darkness. With each step, your feet crunch softly on the ground, a sound that merges with the deep silence of the forest, the faint sound of rustling leaves and soft footsteps on the ground continues. Suddenly you hear the gentle sound of water in the distance. Following the sound, you discover a small waterfall emerging from within the forest. The water cascades down serenely, creating a sweet melody. You sit on a rock next to the waterfall. The light from your lantern shines on the water, making it sparkle. Your mind is now completely at peace. You feel the deep tranquility of this forest. The gentle sound of water and faint birdsong continue. As you sit by the waterfall, you sense that this forest holds many ancient stories. Every leaf, every drop of water, every particle of soil seems to contain a piece of ancient history. In the light of your lantern, you spot a small, dilapidated hut near the waterfall. It's overgrown with vines, but inside lies an old journal. You pick it up. On every page there are writings about an ancient man named Arco. Arco used to talk to every tree, every waterfall, and every creature in this forest. The journal describes how Arco would sit in his small hut, holding his lantern, and listen to the stories of the forest. His stories were the songs of the birds, the melody of the waterfall, and the dances of the fireflies at night. He believed that every natural thing has a language that can only be heard in the silence. The sound of water becomes calmer, and the faint buzz of crickets begins. The voiceover becomes slower and softer. Arco wrote in his journal about a full moon night when he was walking along this path with his lantern. Suddenly, he saw a multitude of fireflies illuminating an old tree. Their light transformed the forest into a spectacle of stars. Arco gazed at the fireflies dance in awe, and his mind became completely calm. He realized that true peace in life is not found in noise, but rather hidden within the quiet of nature. The light from the lantern in your hand now seems brighter. You understand that you're not just reading a story, you're experiencing Arco's journey on that very night. Beneath every tree in this forest, there are many such stories, hidden. Your mind is now completely lost in this tale. The sound of water and the soft hum of fireflies continue. The voiceover becomes even calmer. Sleep is now descending upon your eyes. You feel your body becoming lighter, and your mind peaceful and still. You are no longer alone. You have the sound of the waterfall, the whisper of the leaves, and the light of that old lantern with you. All these things are guiding you into a deep, peaceful state of sleep. You feel as if you are lying on a cloud, which is slowly drifting you deeper and deeper into peace.